Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss the new lesson ledger. In previous 6 videos, near about I have taken related to GST. GST is the part of general. Keep this in mind. If in any syllabus, if it is written journal, you will also prepare the GST, because all the transaction today have the mostly GST transaction. So this is the part of journal. So if in your syllabus it is written journal, means it is also the GST including. In the accounting cycle you have seen the first process was journal and second process was the ledger. So here we are going to see the ledger. Ledger means all the transaction of a particular person are collected at one place, so that we can conclude it what amount I have to pay or what amount I have to receive. For example, Ram is your customer, Jacob is your supplier. So from the Jacob you purchase the goods time to time and you sell the goods to the Ram. So all the transaction related to Jacob you will collect in the Jacob account, so that you can calculate what amount exact you have to pay the Jacob. And same all the transaction related to Ram you will write at one place in Ram account, that is called Ram ledger. So how you will record in ledger? The format of ledger, first you see, this is the format of ledger. Here, this is the column of amount, this is the column of general folio, this is the column of particular, and this is the column of date. So first column is the date, second is the particular, third is the general folio, fourth is the amount. First column is the date, second column is the particular. Here we will make the double column in the middle, so it signifies that there are the two parts, date, particular, ledger folio, general folio, amount. Now this is your left hand side. So this left hand side is called debit. This is your right hand side. This is called credit. Now in the ledger, when you will make posting in debit side, always before this you will write 2. And when you will make any posting in credit side, before this you will write by. Now, to prepare the ledger, you have to keep in mind first your journal, and from the journal you will make the posting in the ledger. For example, I want to open the cash account. Okay, this is the cash account. So in any entry, if cash is the debit, you will record debit side. Or if in the journal entry cash is credit, then you will record credit side. Now it is clear? If in the journal entry this cash account is debit, then you will record two side, debit side. Or if cash account is credit, you will record buy side. But you will not write the cash account. You will write the opposite account. If cash is debit, then you will write the name of credit item. Or cash is credit, then you will write the name of debit item. Confirm? Now you see the question number 1. All of you open page number 9.65, question number 1. For your help, I am going to write entry here. Now see, generalize the following transaction, post them into ledger, balance the account and prepare a trial balance. Now first, Shyam Sundar and Sons commenced business with cash. So first you will pass the entry cash account debit to capital account. You are saying cash account debit to capital account. So here cash is the debit. So debit side you will write, but you will write the name of capital. So you will write to capital account. And amount will be 80,000. Now entry related to cash transaction, that is the March 2nd purchase goods for cash. So you will pass the entry purchase account debit to cash account. Now you are seeing here cash is the credit, so credit side you will write, but you will write the debit item name by purchase account. That is also 80,000. Sorry, not 80,000. That is 36,000. Now see March 3rd, machinery purchased for cash. So you will pass the entry machinery account debit to cash account. So here cash is the credit, so credit side you will write, but write the name of debit item machinery account. So machinery account amount is the 4,000. Purchased goods from Raghu and Dilip, here cash is not involved. Return goes to Dilip, cash is not involved. Paid to Raghu in full settlement. Date 8. So Raghu debit to cash account and to discount account. Now see, you have purchased the goods from Raghu 22,000, out of which 4,000 goods you have to return. So balance is the 18,000, but you have paid only 17,500. So 500 will be considered as a discount. So Raghu will be debited by 18,000 to cash account, that is 17,500, and discount account will be 500. Now here see, cash is credit. So cash account credit side you will write, but write the name of debit item. Debit item is the Raghu, by Raghu. But keep in mind, you are making the cash account, so amount before the cash, this is 17,500. So only 17,500 you will write. Next, sold goods to Mahesh Chandra, received cash from Mahesh Chandra and discount allowed. So on 13, cash account debit, discount debit to Mahesh Chandra. Now you see, cash is here. Now you see, cash is here 19,800 and discount is 200. So here cash is the debit. So debit side you will write, but you will write to Mahesh Chandra. But before the cash it is written 19,800. So only 19,800 you will record. Next, paid cash to Dilip. So Dilip debit to cash account to discount account. Date is given 15. So Dilip debit to cash account to discount account. You are paying the cash 14,850 and discount is 150. Here cash is credit. So credit side you will write, but write the name of debit term by Dilip. But amount before the cash, that is 14,850. Now next one, sold goods for cash. So cash account debit to sales. Cash is debit. So debit side you will write to sales account. And amount is here 25,000. Now sold goods for cash to Sudhir Limited. So cash account debit to Sudhir to sales account. So cash is the debit. So debit side you will write to sales account, because this is cash transaction. So name will not be recorded. 18,000. Sudhir you will not write the name Sudhir because cash transaction. Paid for rent. So rent account debit to cash. So cash is credit, credit side by rent, and amount of rent is 1,500. Received for commission. So cash account debit to commission. So cash account debit, debit side, you will write to commission. That commission is 2,000. Next, withdraw by proprietor for personal use. So drawing account debit to cash. So cash is credit. So credit side you will write by drawing. Amount of drawing is here 5,000. Now purchase a fan for proprietor house. This is for proprietor house. So this is also the drawing. So drawing account debit to cash account. So by drawing, now amount is 1200. So like such, you have made the posting of all the transaction related to cash in the cash account. Then you will make the total of cash account. Now this is the total. That is 1,44,800. You will write the same total here, 1,44,800, and from this total you make minus all these items. From this total you will make minus all these items. Then it will come balance. By balance CD, you can use the calculator. So balance will come 64,750, and this balance here we will write CD, and after the total below this you will write to balance BD, and here you will write 64,750. So like such you will make the ledger. This is only one account I have opened, but you have to open all the accounts. Thank you, student.